Spaghetti alla Carbonara, this classic dish from Roma, is super delicious yet really simple to cook. There are only 4 ingredients: egg, cheese, pasta, and amore. In a hot pot, cook your pasta. In a bowl, add 1 yolk, 1 whole egg, and your Parmesan cheese. Season with black pepper, salt. Mix everything up really well until the consistency looks like that. In a hot pan, cook your bacon or your guanciale until crispy. At this point, add in your cooked pasta with your pasta water because the Italians say so, before adding in the egg and cheese mixture. Toss everything around. Make sure all is evenly coated before you serve your goodness on a plate. Just like so. Finish off with more Parmigiano on top because cheese is live. Garnish with your choice of herbs. I use parsley from my garden. That's it guys, super delicious, really simple, and just hit the spot. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe. Buon appetito ragazzi!